what's up? I'm gonna share with you a secret to how we made like 1,000 sales online, okay? Stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Ryan McMorris with Intentional Lifestyle Creators University. What's up? Welcome to our TV channel. What we do is we love helping people create passive income online. This is what our channel is about. It's about creating lifestyle, passive income, and living a life of freedom. So if those things are cool with you, consider subscribing to this channel and feel free to connect with us on Instagram or Facebook or whatever social media platform you have going on. Just click the description box below, all right? In today's video, we're going to give you a secret that we share with our teams and our VIP clients and really everyone that we love to help. And we're putting it out here for you today, okay? How have we made thousands of sales online using this one simple trick every single day, okay? It's the Facebook birthday messenger, all right? Now, I'm gonna show you my phone and how I do it every single day, all right? It's super simple. You can do this. It will help you create sales, okay? It will also help you really kind of hack the Facebook algorithm so more people see your stuff, all right? So if you want that too, make sure you do these things, all right? Now, here's the deal. This will help you create more conversation. No matter what you're doing or no matter what your business is, whether you're in online marketing or network marketing or whatever it is that you're doing online, you want to be able to create conversation. So that's number one, is create conversation. One of the things that you want to do online is create conversation. I almost lost my voice. Create conversation that leads to a question, okay, and that can lead to more sales. Now, here's where a lot of people do wrong with the birthday message thing, in my opinion. They pitch someone on their birthday, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. What you want to do is you want to create a conversation that may lead to a sales conversation maybe in the next couple days, okay? But we want to get the ball rolling, okay? So I'm actually gonna whip out my phone real quick, okay? I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do with this birthday deal, and you're gonna love it, all right? So stay tuned. All right, so you should be able to see my phone, okay? So I'm gonna go to Facebook, all right? I'm gonna go up in here to today's birthday. So that's what I'm gonna type in, all right? So I'm gonna type in today's birthdays. I'm gonna click see all, okay? And now what I wanna do is, first thing I wanna do is I wanna make sure that this also helps me get rid of friends without having to try to delete people like all at once, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of look for people that may look like they may not have a place for my friends list. And I'm also going to look for people that may be inactive, okay? So what another tip you can do too is, like, if you want to send this birthday message, one of the reasons you don't want to send it in the post, like you can see right here in Christina, if I send it on the post, she's not going to see that because every one of her friends is probably going to put that on the post. So there's a chance of like 100 to maybe even 500 or 1,000 people doing that. So she'll never know that I did, okay? So how you can kind of counter that too is by sending your birthday message either a day before or the day after. So what sometimes I may do is I may roll into the recent birthdays, okay? And you make sure you do this every day. I mean, this can really help you out. I try to do it every day. I used to be really good at this, not so much anymore, but I'm telling you, this can really help you out. All right. So here's the deal. If I go and send Sandy a message, what I want to do is I'm going to go to her messenger. Okay, so let me go back. I'm going to keep it right there. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to exit out and go to my messenger. Okay, and I'm going to go back to one of the last people I sent this birthday message to, and I personally, you can either do one of three things. You can send out a happy birthday message. I love to send out a birthday gift. If you know that most of your friends are, if you know that most of your friends are in a particular niche, and that's, you've kind of really honed in your target market, and you know who you're looking for, and you know what they would like, give them a birthday give them a birthday gift. Create a site that's specifically like, yourname.com/birthday, and it's a free gift. And no opt-in, no nothing. It's just pure value. And chances are, one, it helps them get to your site. I mean, if you know what I'm talking about, you can see the value in this. Okay, so all sorts of good things can happen there. I shoot a birthday video, so I'm going to play this birthday video for you guys that we can kind of see. I like to be kind of humorous. Okay.
Just got done cutting down some trees, but wanted to take some time out and wish you a happy birthday. I hope that is the best day ever. If there's anything that I can ever do for you, including chopping down trees, you let me know, but happy freaking birthday.
All right, awesome. So I send that video. I made that video once. I made that video almost a year ago to this date. And literally all I do is I click the forward button, I double tap my phone, and then I look all the way down. So I'm going to see at the top, it's Reed, Baker, and Holland. So then I'm going to go up to the search bar here, and I'm going to type in Reed. Okay, I think that's my person, Candace Reed. Okay, so I'm going to send it to her. I'm going to type in Baker. Let's make sure Suzette Baker. So I'm going to pop in her, and then Holland. And I'm going to do that. Boom. All right, now, most people are going to really give you a good reaction to that. So now it's just a matter of asking some cool questions of, hey, how are you? Like, how was your birthday? Do you have anything special planned? Most people are going to say, especially for like my network marketers out there, most people are going to say, no, I don't have anything planned. I had to work. I don't have any money. And it's going to bring up the conversation. I'm not going to go into conversations in this video because the purpose of this video is to show you how to use this Facebook tool, right? But what I want to share is, like, you can create more conversation. You're going to create more curiosity for people to go to your page, and it's going to really help you to possibly get more eyeballs on your videos and things like that. Okay, so we do have a conversation course. If you do want to check out our conversation course, I'm gonna put a link down below in the comment section of the description. If you want to check that out, we have a full-on course to show you how to create better conversation, move people, create curiosity, and make more sales with the people that you're connecting with. All right, but I hope this video really helps you out a little bit. Kind of go back here into Facebook, but it's crazy what this can do for you. And you can delete people, you can get rid of people that are inactive, that kind of thing, and it just makes people feel good. That's the whole point. It makes people feel good. It's a great thing. Possibly try setting a reminder for yourself in Google Calendar. And this just goes above and beyond what anybody else would. And I highly recommend, if you have anybody's phone number, whether they're a customer, team member, past customer, prospect, whatever they are, call them. Okay, set out some time in your day and call people on their birthday, but send out this birthday message. And literally, I've made this video one time on Facebook, and I just forward it and keep forwarding it. And eventually, obviously, you have to make a new video or whatever the case may be. But hopefully, this video kind of opens your eyes on how you can create more conversation, get more exposure. Obviously, make people laugh and make people have a great day, and it can really help you out. So hopefully that helps. All right, make sure you connect with us on Facebook, on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you got some value. If you did, let me know in the comment section if you did get some value from it. And as always, if you have questions, make sure you shoot your questions to us at ILC University on Instagram. So if you shoot your questions, we'll do them live, either on YouTube, or we'll do them in our private Facebook group as well. So make sure you connect with us on social media. Make sure you subscribe. And if we can ever help you in any way create more passive income in your business online, let us know. We would love to help you out. Have an amazing day, my friends. See you later.